Let's learn to use phrases. Useful questions. We are looking for a blue pen. Can you see a blue pen? How can we ask where the blue pen is? We have to say, where is the blue pen? Where is the blue pen? We now need to find a red bed. Can you see a red bed? How can we ask where the red bed is? We have to say, where is the red bed? Where is the red bed? We are looking for a school. Can you see a school? How can we ask where the school is? We have to say, where is the school? Where is the school? Now, we need to find the green book. How can we ask where the green book is? We have to say, where is the green book? Where is the green book? Oh no! We have lost a sandwich. Can you see a sandwich? To find the sandwich, we need to say, where is the sandwich? Where is the sandwich? We are looking for a sock. How can we ask to find the sock? To find the sock, we need to ask, where is the sock? Where is the sock? Now, we need to find an umbrella. Can you see an umbrella? To find the umbrella, we need to say, where is the umbrella? Where is the umbrella? We have to find a shoe. In fact, you have to find a shoe. How can you ask to find the shoe? That's very good. To find the shoe, you need to say, where is the shoe? Where is the shoe? Never forget it. To ask where something is, you need to say, "Where is?" before you mention what you are looking for. You can say, "Where is the shoe?" "Where is my shoe?" "Where is your shoe?" Depending on who owns what you are looking for. Until next time, thanks for watching. Let's learn school supplies. Pencil, eraser, pen, marker, crayon, glue stick, ruler, pencil case, notebook, spiral notebook, binder clip, tabs, highlighter, pencil sharpener, headphones, flash drive, lunchbox, water bottle, backpack, flashcard, binder organizer, colored pencils, stapler, tape, safety scissors, construction paper, hand sanitizer, tissues, Thanks for watching. Let's learn to use phrases. Food and drinks. Bob has been playing hard all day. He is now very thirsty and could really use a drink. To get a glass of water, Bob has to ask for one. But Bob doesn't know how to ask for water. Do you know what Bob can say to ask for a glass of water? Well, let us practice what you can say when you need to ask for a glass of water. This is Bob, and Bob needs to ask for a glass of water. To ask for a glass of water, Bob needs to say, "May I have a glass of water? May I have a glass of water?" Let's say it together with Bob. On the count of 3, we would help Bob ask for a glass of water. Ready? May I have a glass of water? Let's repeat. May I have a glass of water? That was amazing! Bob asked for a glass of water by saying, "May I have a glass of water?" Now that Bob has had his glass of water, Bob would like a snack to give him more energy. To get a snack, Bob has to ask for one too. But Bob doesn't know how to ask for a snack. Do you know what Bob can say to ask for a snack? Well, let's practice what you can say when you need to ask for a snack. To ask for a snack, Bob needs to say, "May I have a snack? May I have a snack?" Let's say it together with Bob. On the count of 3, we would help Bob to ask for a snack. Ready? May I have a snack? Let's repeat. May I have a snack? That was awesome! Bob asked for a snack by saying, "May I have a snack?" Now, let's imagine that you are the one who is playing and that you really need a glass of water. How can you ask for a glass of water? Well, just like Bob, you can say, "May I have a glass of water?" Let's practice asking for a glass of water together. On the count of 3, we would all say, "May I have a glass of water?" Ready? May I have a glass of water? That was amazing! You now know how to ask for a glass of water. Would you like to ask for a glass of water on your own? Let's try it. On the count of 3, ask for a glass of water by saying, "May I have a glass of water?" Ready? That was awesome! Let's repeat. You did very good! You asked for a glass of water all by yourself. Never forget it. Whenever you need to ask for a glass of water, always say, "May I have a glass of water?" When you ask this way, you will receive water and be able to quench your thirst. Thanks for watching. See you next time.